Hello and welcome back to the StoneburnerBooks YouTube channel. Let's take a look at all of the books that I made in September. So I start off the month with some floppy disk books. These are always popular and I always need to keep them in stock. I've got some freebie books going on, and then I'm going to get into this massive custom book. That took a while, and also this custom binder. It's actually a 6-ring binder inside. After the custom projects, I go right back to floppy disk books, making more freebies that go into my orders. I make those with scrap paper, offcuts from bigger projects. So I like to keep them on hand and just add a little something into each order. Again, more floppy disk books, and then I have a sample book. This is for another custom project that you'll see more of later in the video, and I needed to make a sample just to see kind of where I was going with the project. Now you can see I change it up completely and start making some case journals. It is going to be holiday time before I know it, and I'm trying to build in some time of making journals to stay on top of things. You'll see a couple more journals here that are in the same style, and then we move into my custom order. It was an order for 13 different books. They are pretty much exactly the same except for that book cloth on the spine, and they feature graph paper on the inside, all hand sewn, and that's how I ended my month.